Well, this month could bring some of the hottest weather of the year.
That's right, pretty hot out there, so why not cool things down with a refreshing summer salad? Time to grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Aaron Kiser, serving up plant-based cuisine at Planta Queen in Fort Lauderdale.
Some might refer to it as a vegan restaurant, but we prefer to say plant-based. We're using, no animal products here. We just want them to come in, obviously enjoy the food we're presenting for them. Just want people to come in and enjoy themselves.
Planta Queen is right on Las Olas and serves up vegetarian and vegan dishes made with Asian-inspired ingredients. You can find sushi rolls, noodles, and wok dishes, even dumplings, all made without meat. Stop by Planta Queen in Fort Lauderdale and check out the dish we're making today, a great meal for summer, a Sunomono salad.
So we're gonna start with our broccoli. We cut the stem off.
This salad uses just the stem of the broccoli, so you can freeze the florets and use them in another meal. Chef Aaron adds sliced carrots, papaya, and cucumber.
And a little Thai chili.
You can use whatever type of chili pepper you like. Next comes a type of seaweed called kombu.
Most Asian supermarkets or Asian stores will carry it.
You can also find this in stores like Whole Foods. Add some cilantro next, then season the salad with salt and a mix of soy sauce and citrus. A squeeze of lemon is next.
And then we're just gonna give that all a nice toss.
Chef Aaron plates the salad, then tops it with avocado and crispy garlic.
You could also buy it. A lot of supermarkets carry this product.
And garnishes with sesame seeds.
Welcome to Planta Queen, Fort Lauderdale. This is our Sunomono salad. Please enjoy.
Here's your chance to create your own version of Planta Queen's Sunomono salad. Grab your phone and just scan the QR code that you see there right on your screen. Do that and it'll take you right to the recipe. And you can actually find that salad featured on Planta Queen's menu for Dine Out Lauderdale. That's the program where restaurants across Fort Lauderdale will be offering special deals on 3-course lunches and dinners now through September. There's more info on that on our website. Check it out. A lot of good deals to be had. In the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.
Good to hear, Belkys. Thank you.